Hello, my name is Matt, one of the System 1 administrators working for CHCP. Today I'll be going through how to use the web version of the National Care Record Service. Before you can access the National Care Record Service, you will first need to be granted the appropriate permissions on your smart card. Please speak to a sponsor to request this. The first step to take is to open the NHS Smart Card Management Portal shortcut on your desktop to open the Spine website. Once in the Spine portal, click the Launch National Care Record Service link. Once the record service has finished loading, you will see a list of applicable accesses on the screen. As you can see here, I have multiple roles in this organisation. If you are unsure of which access to use, you can click the View Permissions drop-down to see a list of actions you are able to take when using that profile. Once you are happy you have found the correct access profile, click the City Healthcare Partnership header in the appropriate role box. Click Continue to find a patient if you are happy that you have selected the correct role. We have 3 ways to search for a patient in NCRS as illustrated by the tabs: NHS number, basic details and advanced details. We should use NHS number whenever possible, so I will search on that in this example. I've entered my patient's NHS number, and so now I should click the Find Patient button. Now we have opened the patient overview. The patient's name and some details will be shown at the top of the screen. We can find out more information on the patient by clicking either the Patient or Clinical tabs. We're going to start off in the Patient tab. The Patient tab will include a list of relevant patient information, such as name, address, gender, registered GP details, next of kin, and so on. You can quickly navigate to a section in the record by clicking an option in the tree on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you've finished examining this section of the record, you can click the Return to Top button in the bottom right-hand corner to return to the top of the page. Now we'll take a look at the Clinical tab. When you try to open the Clinical tab, you'll be prompted with the question, has the patient given permission to view their clinical record summary? If you have spoken to the patient and they have said yes, we can view the record. Saying no will return us to the previous page, and the Emergency Access button will also take us to the full summary care record. We should only use this option in an emergency situation, such as when a patient is unresponsive. For now, we'll click yes. In the Clinical tab, you will find a clinical history of the patient, including past diagnoses, current medications, family medical history, and much more. Like with the Patient tab, you can jump to a section you would like to view by selecting it from the list on the left-hand side. Once you have finished in the record, press the Return to Top button to return to the top of the page, and then press either the Find a Patient option if you need to find another patient, or press the Log Out option if you are done. Thank you for watching, and please keep an eye on this channel for any upcoming System 1 guide videos.